Hello my little stars, I'm Miss Fatma. Hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. Mim zair mi, noon zair ni, wow zair vi, he zair hi, हमजा ज़ेर ई, छोटी ये ज़ेर यी, बड़ी ये ज़ेर यी। अब रवा पढ़ते हैं। मी, नी, वी, ही, ई, ये, ये. Okay stars, hope you learned very well. See you in the next class. Bye.